Well, hey guys, if you just bought your brand new GoPro, whether it's the GoPro Hero 11 Black, the 10 Black like I have here, or even the 9, and you want a cheap and simple way to help protect your investment, well, this may be just the video for you. These GoPros all have large screens on the back and they are very prone to being scratched. So what do you do to protect it? Well, I found just like the tempered glass screen protectors we put on our phones, they make these for our GoPros as well. Inside this kit that I did purchase on Amazon, and I will link it below, they give you 3 separate pieces of tempered glass for the actual lens cover here. They give you 3 separate pieces for this front screen here, as well as 3 separate pieces for the back main screen. So here's the main screen on my GoPro Hero 10 Black, and you can see there is a little bit of dust on there. So I am going to want to clean that off. They did include these wipes, but I'm not going to use these. I'm going to go ahead and use my microfiber towel, which is this type here, which I get from Costco. And for any remaining little specks of dust, if there is any, I'll just blow them off with this blower here. Okay, I did clean off my screen, as I said, and if I need to, I'll just go ahead and use that blower if I see a speck of dust fall on the screen. But taking a look at the actual screen protector here, you can see there is this piece of sticker on here. If I flip it over, you can see that that sticker indicates that this side is the back. This is the side with a little sticky film on it that we're going to peel off, and this side is actually going to be stuck to the glass of the GoPro. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the blower just to get rid of any little micro pieces of dust that I might not be able to see. You're definitely going to want to make sure you do this in a very clean environment. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the back protective layer here. And now I'm just going to line up the screen protector as best I can. You can see it automatically kind of sucking to the screen there. There is a little bubble. I'm going to see if I can get that out. Yeah, that went out. Oh, it's still there. Let's see. I'm going to use my microfiber. See if I can't press that out here. Well, you can see there's a very clear part of this screen protector that just doesn't want to stick down to the GoPro. That may be due to my actual GoPro's screen having a little low spot there, but it also may be due to this screen protector kind of not being, perfectly flat. So that's not cool to me. I'm not going to leave this. I'm going to see if I can work that out here, and I'll just use my microfiber like I was doing and try to press that out and maybe even lift the corner of this and try to reapply. But let me see how that goes. Okay, you might be able to see that little white speck right there. I'm watching that to see if that grows anymore, but all I did was take my microfiber. I should have left the camera rolling because it happened so quickly. I just went ahead and wiped it like that a few times kind of quickly, and this is just some lint from the microfiber getting stuck to the rubbery surface, but that's no big deal. And as soon as I did that, the bubble just kind of went away. Overall install went really easy. If I wasn't filming this process, it would have been, twice as easy as it was. It looks like I got a little speck there. I'm not sure, like I said, if that's dust or not. Could have been my fault. Who knows? It's not that big of a deal. I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Now the thing is, on the front here, it does come with a protector for this front screen, and I will install that. And it also comes with a protector for this lens cover. I will not be installing the one here on the lens cover because that's not going to be optical glass for sure, and that's only going to take away or soften the image of the GoPro, but that is up to the end user. If you feel like installing it, go right on ahead. You can always install it, test it out, and if it doesn't look good or you feel like it's making your footage soft, you can always take it off. As for me, I simply won't be installing that protector here. All right, that one seemed to work out decently. It's not perfectly centered, but again, I'm okay with that. I did press it down. You probably saw right in the middle to try to start that bonding process from the middle out. I think that's a better way to do it. Fits good. Really happy with that, actually. And just in case you were wondering what this front screen looks like while it's on and the tempered glass is on there, well, this is the best I can do for you. Now, if you're anything like me, you're wondering, did this screen protector do anything to hinder the performance of the touchscreen on the back? Now, we all know that GoPros somewhat have a slightly finicky rear touchscreen anyway, so I'll see if it's a glaring difference with the screen protector on from what it was. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go through some settings and normal things that I would do, and I'll tell you here if I feel like it's diminished the quality of the rear touchscreen. That missed it a few times, but that is relatively normal for me and my GoPro. Yep, that missed it there too, but that, again, that's totally normal. It does that all the time. Got it there twice, 3 times, 4 times. Swiping. I'm lightly touching it, not trying to press too hard here. Let me go back here. Long press, lightly touching, just like normal to scroll. And I gotta tell you, this tempered glass feels a little smoother and a little better than the actual back of the GoPro screen, natively. It seems like it's just a smoother surface, but everything seems to be working just fine. I have no issues so far. Like I said, the swipe up on that little pull down bar always seems to have a little bit of an issue for me, but overall my GoPro 10 rear screen doesn't really have too big of an issue like what I see sometimes on YouTube. But mine seems to be functioning just fine. Feels good, looks good. I think this is a success. I'm really stoked right now. I do wish that little speck wasn't there, and I do wish that I would have installed it a little bit, like a hair taller there, but overall it looks really good. I think it went really easy, and it's going to provide a good amount of protection for me so that I don't have to worry. I mean, I take care of my stuff, but that being said, I don't want to accidentally knock it over, scratch the screen, drop it, things happen. So this is hopefully going to, protect my investment. And let's just say in the future, I want to go ahead and sell this Hero 10 Black. I'll be able to do that with a scratch-free screen on both the back and the front here. Hi guys. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. I'll go ahead and install that front protector off camera, but I just wanted to show you the install process and this certain product on Amazon. And I will again link that down in the description below. If you're curious about this exact set I got, it covers the whole screen, which is one thing that I was curious about. I saw a review somewhere that acted like it didn't cover the whole rear screen, and it does. It covers the whole glass, side to side, all the way up and down. So we're good there. It feels good. We'll see, I guess only time is really gonna tell how this holds up, and we don't really have that here in this video. But hey, it does come with 3 of these rear protectors. It comes with 3 for the front and 3 for that lens cover if you feel like installing that. But overall, yeah, thumbs up. Thanks guys. Jimmy for the General Expert, signing out.